Man, I don't know. As much as you try to avoid expired products, goods expiring before you get them sold, the situation always seems to find its way back in your operation randomly. Now, overpurchasing can be the problem, but overpurchasing is not always a problem. Sometimes a location may slow down. Maybe employees may have taken vacation. Maybe some big buyers who usually support your machine are working from home. Or maybe even students. Maybe students are doing homeschooling. Wherever your location is, maybe that traffic is just not the same. All these can affect your sales, which can leave you with remaining product. Whatever the reason is, you have remaining product that you have to get rid of before they expire. In this video, I'm going to outline 4 things that you can do to get rid of your goods before the expiration date hits. Coming up.
Wha Gwaan Machine Man!
Wha Gwaan, where don't say it's Machine Man doing machine things. I'm Jason Edmond, aka Machine Man, bringing you content on the vending machine business like locations, proposals, products and services, vending machines, of course, anything to do with the vending industry. You know I got you guys. If this is your first time meeting, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing. However, if return like my good friend David Gold, salute, big up yourself, and let's jump into the content. Let's go. Alright, let's get right into it. First things first. First method that I like to use when product is about to expire is I like to slash prices. Retail stores do it all the time. Department stores do it all the time. Everybody does it. Slash prices. Take a little off of it and the product should sell. It will sell. People like sales. People like to get a bargain. Always remember that good news spreads really, really fast. Once they realize they got a product for a lesser price than they're used to getting it, the news would spread. They would tell people, hey, I got this out of the vending machine. I got it at X amount of dollars cheaper. So don't underestimate. You might be surprised how fast that product flies off the shelf once you put the sale price on it. One thing I like to do with when I slash prices is you want to slash, just like the department stores, they slash the prices just enough for them to make back the money that they invested. So whatever you purchased it at, I would slash it down. That would be the lowest I would go, just to get rid of the product, just to get it out. So worst case scenario, you're breaking even more or less. But you would know how much you can take off depending on how much time you have left, how much product you have left in storage. You would know, you should be able to gauge and see exactly what it is. But if you're trying to get it to move it fast, just cut it right down to what you purchased it for, because it should be really, really cheap in comparison to your sale price, your original sale price. So your customers are going to be really excited to purchase that product at a lower cost. But you can just keep the sale price on until all the product is gone. Always check your dates. Let the customers know which items in the machine are at the lower price. If you have price scrolls in the machine, make sure to adjust the price that the customer know from the display that the price has been marked down. I'll put a colored sticker next to the item that's on sale, or anything that grabs the attention of the consumer, of the customer who's standing in front of the machine. The more eyes, the more attention you can bring to that product is the higher chances of that product selling, so you can get rid of your product before the expiration date hits. So the quick glance of the machine, the consumer sees that. It stands out. That colored sticker, the colored item, it stands out, giving you more opportunity, giving that item more opportunity to sell. Makes sense, right? A second strategy that I like to do to get rid of my product before they expire is I pull the product from the slow location and I switch it over to a fast location. I usually take it to my fastest location because I know I'm guaranteed for this product to sell. Why I like this method is because depending on how much time you have, you may not even have to reduce the prices. You switch it to the fast location, put them in the machine, you can gauge how fast that location moves product. So when you put them in, don't have to slash the prices, you get exactly what you wanted for that product when you set the price initially. No discounts, no slashing prices, you get all of your profit that you wanted. Because of the faster location, the product will go. And like clockwork, those products sell and they get out of the situation as fast as possible. Oh, if you're getting value, make sure you like this video, guys. My third strategy for you to get rid of product before they expire is donation. Donation is a very, very powerful tool for you as a vending operator, for you as an entrepreneur, for you as the business owner. Why I say that? Because the benefits of donation is widely documented. You could look it up. The benefits you're going to get is really for you. You're going to get a lot of people are going to be very thankful. People are going to be very appreciative of that gesture of you donating snacks. It's pretty much you giving back to society, feeling good about yourself, helping others, people looking at you with high esteem for your kind gesture. So many different benefits from donating, so you should look into it. Inspire others to donate. When you donate and people see that, people want to donate as well. So there's more to go around for the less fortunate. You instantly feel wealthier, you look good to society, it's your way of giving back to society. It's great for you, you're gonna feel a lot better, you're gonna walk with your chest higher that you actually did something good. If your product is going to expire and you don't think you can get rid of them, donate them. Give them to somebody who you know would have good use for that. You're gonna put a smile on someone's face once they get a snack, a chip, a soda, whatever you have. And there's so many different opportunities, so many different places you can donate to. You can find your favorite charity, or it doesn't have to be a favorite charity, it could be any charity. Churches have very good welfare programs that they give food and they give different goods to the less fortunate. There are food banks, there are so many different areas, so many different ways. Make sure, do not look at it as revenue loss for the product that you purchase. Look at it as you giving back. Look at it as an honor to give to people. You're in a position that you can actually help someone out. That's how I look at it. Let's go next. Another thing that I like to do before my product expires is I have an instant customer appreciation at the location. I give away the product. Who doesn't like to get something free? Who doesn't like to have free product? Everybody does. And this gesture, simple gesture, will go a long way with building rapport with your location. They are going to like you even more. They're going to look at you with high esteem because you gave them something free, you gave them a snack. You know, you gave them something that they like. So look into it this way. Don't look into it as, again, this is another way of you thinking you lost revenue. You haven't lost revenue. You've gained more support. Look at it that way. Probably make up a little box and put it in the kitchen area or somewhere, or even someone who walks up to the machine and you just give them a snack. However you do it, people are going to love you for it. You're going to get repaid back tenfold. Just like donation, just like giving away, it's still donation. Giving it to your location, giving it to your customers, your loyal customers who have been supporting you for so long. This is customer appreciation. They're going to love you for it. Machine man do machine things, guys. This is the end of the video. Utilize any one of these 4 strategies if and when you find yourself in a situation that you have expiration dates coming up and you can't get rid of your product soon enough. You can even use it as a combination of the strategies. You can use 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some you get back your money, some you break even, some you donate and you look good and feel good. Any one you want, use all 4, work it, make it happen, get rid of that product before they expire on your hands. Machine man do machine things, guys. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure I see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Machine man do machine things. Boom. Big up yourself, keep maintaining, keep sustaining, keep persevering, keep growing. Machine man do machine things. Let's go. Boom.